Welcome to my channel, Data to Intelligence Pro. Today we are going to discuss about what is OneLake in Microsoft Fabric. In this video, we break down OneLake and Lakehouse architecture in the simplest way possible. OneLake is the foundation of Microsoft Fabric, acting as a unified data lake for your entire organization. It eliminates data silos, simplifies data management, and enables seamless sharing across teams and even external organizations. From this video, what you learn: what is data lake, how OneLake works in Microsoft Fabric, Lakehouse architecture, OneLake hierarchy, cross-tenant data sharing, and why OneLake is the future of data platform. This video is perfect for beginners, data engineers, and anyone exploring Microsoft Fabric. OneLake is the foundation of Microsoft Fabric and acts as a single unified data lake for your entire organization. Think of OneLake as OneDrive for your data. It is built into Microsoft Fabric by default, so there is no need to set up or manage complex infrastructure. OneLake is built on Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Built it hides all the complexity like resource groups, regions, and access management. This makes it easy for both developer and business users to work with data. One of the biggest advantages of OneLake is that it eliminates the data silos. All your data is stored in one place, making it easy to discover, share, and governance. Now let's understand the hierarchy. At the top, you have your tenant. Inside the tenant, you create multiple workspaces just like folders. Within each workspaces, you can create lakehouses. A lakehouse is a combination of a data lake and data warehouse where you can store files, tables, and structured data. This structure makes it easy to organize and manage data across your entire organization. Another powerful feature is cross-tenant data sharing. You can securely share data with external organizations without copying it. The data stays in place and all the governance policies remain enforced. In summary, OneLake simplifies data management, removes silos, and provides a unified foundation for all Microsoft Fabric workloads. If you want to learn Microsoft Fabric fast, start with OneLake.